Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got a bunch of rectangles put together, as you can see in this diagram, such that the area of this yellow rectangle is 168 centimeters square, whereas the area for this green rectangle is 100 centimeters square. Moreover, this side length for this green rectangle is 18 centimeter. The side length of this yellow rectangle is 12 centimeter. And furthermore, these side lengths are 4 and 6 centimeter respectively. And now we are going to calculate the area of this blue shaded rectangle. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me make it very clear that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And since we are dealing with the area of these rectangles, let's recall the area of a rectangle formula. Area equals to length times width. So therefore, I'm going to label this side length of this green rectangle as x centimeter. And we know its other side length is 18 centimeter. And likewise, let me go ahead and label this side length of this yellow rectangle as y centimeter, and we know its other side length is 12 centimeter. And now here's our next step. Let's focus on this yellow rectangle, and we are going to apply this rectangle formula. In our case, the area is 168, so I'm going to write down area 168 times these two dimensions are 12 and y, so I'm going to multiply them out. 12 times y. Now let's go ahead and divide both sides by 12 to isolate y. So therefore our y value turns out to be 14 centimeter. So therefore our this side length for this yellow rectangle turns out to be 14 centimeter. And now here's our next step. Let's focus on this green rectangle, and we know its area is 100 centimeters square, and its side lengths are x and 18. So therefore we are going to apply this formula once again. So our area is 100 equals to our dimensions are 18 times x. And now let's go ahead and divide both sides by 18 to isolate x. So therefore our x value, if we reduce this thing, that is going to give us 50 divided by 9 centimeter. So therefore our x value turns out to be 50 divided by 9 centimeter. And now let's focus on this yellow rectangle. Since we are dealing with this rectangle, so this means this side length is going to be equal to this side length. If this is 14 centimeter, this length has got to be 14 centimeter as well. And now we know that this tiny length is 4 centimeter. So therefore this whole length is going to be 14 plus 4 is going to make 18 centimeter. And now let's focus on this green rectangle. This side length is 50 divided by 9 centimeter. So therefore this side length is going to be 50 divided by 9 centimeter as well. And now we know that this side length is 6 centimeter. So therefore this whole side length is going to be 50 divided by 9 centimeter plus 6 centimeter. And here I have copied down this 50 divided by 9 plus 6. And if we add these numbers, we are going to get 104 divided by 9 centimeter. So therefore this whole side length of this blue rectangle turns out to be 104 divided by 9 centimeter. And here's our final step. Let's go ahead and calculate the area of this blue shaded rectangle. And we know its dimensions are 18 and 104 divided by 9. So therefore, we are going to apply this very same formula. So the area of this blue shaded rectangle is going to be, our length is 104 divided by 9 times our width is 18. And now we can see this 9 goes into 18 twice. And if we multiply everything on the right hand side, our area is going to be equal to 208 centimeters square. So thus the area of this blue shaded rectangle turns out to be 208 centimeters square. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.